For over a century, one dinosaur has sparked more controversy than perhaps any other, Spinosaurus aegyptiacus, a predator bigger than T-Rex, but with a body so strange, some experts wondered if it was even real. Its fossils first emerged from Egypt's Bahariya oasis in 1912, only to be destroyed in World War II. And from that moment on, Spinosaurus became prehistoric mythology, a puzzle missing most of its pieces. Was it a land-based hunter, a swamp-stalking ambush predator, or the world's first aquatic dinosaur? Each new fossil, each theory, only deepened the debate. What exactly was Spinosaurus, and why has it split the paleontology world in two? In 2014, the Spinosaurus debate exploded. A team unveiled a new reconstruction, one with paddle-like feet, a dense skeleton, and a towering sail, suggesting this predator swam through ancient rivers like a crocodilian torpedo. It was revolutionary. But it didn't take long for the backlash to begin. Critics pointed to gaps in the fossil record, biomechanics that didn't quite add up, and the troubling fact that many of the bones came from different individuals. Was this new Spinosaurus a patchwork illusion? Some even accused researchers of rushing to publish before the evidence was solid. The result? Paleontology's most heated feud in decades. Then came 2020, and with it, a game-changer, the discovery of a long, flat tail. Unlike any other theropod, this tail looked custom-built for propulsion, swishing side to side like a giant oar. Suddenly, the swimming Spinosaurus seemed less like speculation and more like scientific revolution. But not everyone was convinced. Detractors questioned whether the tail alone proved aquatic habits, or if nature had simply created another oddball land predator. What's clear is this: Spinosaurus refuses to be easily defined. It challenges our assumptions about dinosaurs, about evolution, and about how little we still know. In trying to understand it, we're reminded that even in science, the line between fact and mystery is razor-thin. If Spinosaurus truly lived like a crocodile, it wasn't just a new dinosaur, it was a new kind of predator. Not built to chase prey on dry land, but to vanish into ancient river systems, and strike from below. The Kem Kem beds of Morocco, where many Spinosaurus fossils have been found, reveal a world unlike the classic Jurassic plains. Instead of open savannas, this was a sprawling river delta teeming with fish, lungfish, sawfish, coelacanth, and danger. It paints a vivid image, a sail-backed shadow gliding through murky shallows, using ambush, not pursuit. But here's the question: what would it take for a dinosaur to truly become semi-aquatic? Paleontologists turned to comparative anatomy. Spinosaurus bones were unusually dense, much like those of modern aquatic animals like penguins or hippos, helping them stay submerged. Its nostrils were high on the skull, far from the mouth, a possible breathing adaptation for partially submerged hunting. And that bizarre sail. Some believe it may have helped stabilize the animal in water, acting like a keel. But even these aquatic adaptations come with doubts. For every point in favor of a swimming lifestyle, critics argue there's a land-based alternative. Spinosaurus, they say, might have just been a wader, not a swimmer. A dinosaur that hunted fish from the banks, not beneath the waves. Yet new data keeps tilting the balance. Isotope analysis of Spinosaurus teeth shows oxygen signatures closer to aquatic reptiles than to land-based theropods. Fossils of its prey, massive fish like Onchopristis, match perfectly with a predator specialized in aquatic hunting. And limb proportions suggest poor terrestrial movement, further weakening the case for a land-based lifestyle. Still, paleontology is slow to declare victory. Fossils are fragments. Ecosystems are guesses. And behavior, especially for a creature gone 95 million years, is always partly inferred. In Spinosaurus, we find something rare, a dinosaur that not only challenges our image of what dinosaurs were, but reshapes how we imagine life evolving in unfamiliar environments.